Hello and welcome to part 2. In the last part we simply went over the register a new child functionality, and now we're going to move on to the inputting a new session functionality. Here we have a drop down box with the children that have been registered. In this case there's just one, and we can then input a session depending on their age. And the array list, if we go to the code, every time the button is pressed, it runs this add session method. If we scroll down, we can see that every time it's happened, this new double is created, 4 new doubles, and then when session is less than or equal, if the session reaches 20, we'll see what happens there. So as you can see, every time I've added, 35 has been added to the array. So one more, and here you can see that all the totals have been added up for the month, and then it's given in a weekly format. Here we can see simply that when the size gets to 20, it just passes the double of the input session, and it just checks every 5, and for every 5 that makes up 1 week because there's 5 working days, and then sets the text of the text field to whatever it gets. This concludes part 2, and part 3 we'll start to move on to the advanced functionality, since all the basic functionality has now been covered.